I remember few years back I was searching for the holy grail in the market all the time, wherever it is, YouTube, books, everywhere. And I've gone through a lot of content on YouTube and I've gone through a lot of courses. One thing which I've learned is that the skill set to read charts, to read fundamentals, to read the data, it's all 20%. It's all fine. You have to learn that, no doubts about it. But 80% is your psychology, and psychology can be trained and mastered only by practice. So you have to practice every day, and the more number of trades you take, the more experienced you become, you're going to upgrade your skill. Today, a lot of people are sitting at home and they think, since they have time now, why don't they try a hand in stock market? And they get lucky also at times, and they feel that it's very easy to earn money from the markets. But the moment you step into the market, the reality is different. So one thing which I want to tell you is that only holy grail in the market is risk management. So you always have to lose a specific number which should be there in your trade, which is like a 1% or a 2%. You have to fix that number and always trade like that. You should never lose more than that, and you should always gain big. If you get into option strategies, you will be able to see that there are beautiful strategies where your risk is only limited, reward is also limited, but all the time, if you continue to do this, if your performance is consistent like this, that you're losing this much, gaining this much, you're always in a profitable territory. So that's how you have to trade. So that is the holy grail which you need to learn. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to analyze Bank Nifty, and we will find out a couple of stocks for next week. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are on Bank Nifty chart. Let's go to our monthly time frame. So this is a monthly time frame. Just zoom out the chart and you can see that we have drawn this trend line from about 2009 low. 2009 was the low, and we have connected all the lows till date. So this is the trend line what we have on a monthly time frame. Okay, so still you can say the market is an uptrend, and this month's candle, this is for the month of July. You can say July candle was less than 50%. The body was less than 50%, and but surprisingly it was not a reversal candle. Why I am saying this? Because you need to look at the volume. See the volume here. Volumes are really low. If I had this kind of a candle with this kind of a volume, then I could have felt, yeah, it's a reversal, maybe we can go for short selling. But right now it looks bullish. There is no volume here, so you can stay rest assured that nobody is selling. No big volumes are selling, no smart money is selling. So you can have that confidence. And let's go to a weekly time frame quickly and analyze. Weekly time frame, market is getting rejected from the level of the super trend. You can see how many times it got rejected. 1, 2, and there's a red candle. But here this bar is not supported by a big volume here. So you can see there is a difference. So don't expect the market to go up, because this is all a zone. See these 50% bars all along. So this is entirely in a range. The range is from here to here. So there has to be breakout either above or below, but below levels are very far. So let's hope it doesn't go down that much. Now coming to our daily time frame. Daily time frame, we had, you can see this was a level, and this was a doji bar which has formed, or you can call a spinning top. See the volume here, which is a positive sign. So here we are seeing the volume is above average. It is the peak volume and the bar reverse. So that means there is a lot of buying which can come, which has already come. Maybe we can expect a green candle like this tomorrow, and this forms our pattern. Tomorrow, I mean to say Monday. Yes, so you can see the date here, it is 2nd of August today. So on Monday we can expect a green candle, or it can open here and go up, or it can open here and come down also. There can be multiple combinations which we can expect. Okay, so the market is sideways. In a sideways market, you can always notice the super trend change is very frequent because it goes up, goes down. So it is not giving you a long trend to follow. So here was the trend. Here it is sideways. Either it can break out and move up, or it can break down. There are only two possibilities. So let's wait and watch for which possibility is going to work out for us. The moment you become a trader, you have to be patient and you have to watch the market so closely without doing anything. That is the most difficult job you have to do. You have to sit and watch the market until and unless your pattern is formed. If there is no pattern, no trade. Okay, this is on daily time frame. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame. All sideways. You can't even draw a trend line here because it's all clearly visible that it is in sideways zone. But the price is holding the 20 period moving average. You can see the price is not going below the 20 period moving average. It's mostly closing up. So you have to keep a watch on this. So this is a good sign. Now coming to a 5-minute chart, let's analyze how was the market on Friday. Where was the open? First, this was the 40. This was the first candle. Okay, let's mark this. This was the first candle. Market peaked at what time? 940. Market had a low at 920. 940. So whole day it was in the same range. You can see it never crossed the peak, never crossed the low. So this is a good day for a straddle. But how will you come to know whether it's going to be like that? We don't know. We have to take a guess, and we have to watch when these levels are approached, and we have to wait. If this breaks out, then we could have got an entry. This breaks out, we could have got an. Otherwise, you can sell both the sides in small quantities and wait. But this was a Friday. Usually on Fridays there is no decay, so even if you sell, you would have been in loss. So Friday was not a good day like this for a sideways market. Maybe you could have gained close to 5 to 10 points if you had sold any far out of the money, that too initially, but usually there is very less decay. So that's about Bank Nifty. Now let's go and find some stocks for next week. So we go to charting. This is my charting. This is my scanner for monthly. So here I usually take a weekly time frame. Save scan, submit, run scan. So this is a weekly time frame. So this is a weekly time frame, and let's look at when we scan, we actually getting these cash stocks. Say these are 21 stocks which are qualifying for these conditions of super trend. We will go for future segment and run this scan. So we have got 3 stocks: Ambuja, NIT Tech, HDFC, Life Insurance. Let's add these 3 of them first. Ambuja, NIT Tech, HDFC Life. Okay, so let's start with Ambuja. On a daily time frame, it is above super trend and it is super bullish. Where is the 20 period moving average? It is here, little far away, but yes, stock is in uptrend. On a weekly time frame, it is at resistance is cleared. It has cleared its 200 period moving average, so it's a very good sign for us. On a monthly time frame, also it is about 200 moving average. So if you see, the stock was in downtrend, it retraced back, it closed about 200 period moving average. So this is a very good sign for us. We can definitely take Ambuja Cement. So this is going to be in our watch list. So keep a watch of that. And next, we will analyze NIT Tech. NIT Tech, monthly it is bullish. It has been bullish all the time, and you can see the volume is also pretty good here, and it's a perfect setup. I can say this is close to its peak, NIT Technologies. So it's a wonderful catch. I think we can have our position in this. This is almost its 52 period high, so we can watch this. Let's look at it on a weekly time frame. Weekly also it is going up. Volume was pretty good on this candle, but I can see it's forming a double top here, so expect a little retracement for a week, for this week, and then you can get a, if this week a red candle forms, then you can wait and buy at a lower level, and then next week you can expect this high can be taken out. So that is very evident with the pattern right now. So let's look at a daily time frame. Daily time frame, reversal is not yet confirmed because this bar is not having enough volume. You can see the volume here. The volume is not good, so we can't expect it to come down. So we can expect this to further break this and go up. So we can look out for an entry on a daily chart and keep adding our positions. Okay, so these two are really good catch for us. HDFC Life, let's have a look at HDFC Life monthly chart first. Monthly chart, it is pretty uptrend, super trend is breaking, and it is also at a peak. HDFC Life Science is also at 52 week high, so we have to wait for this level to get crossed, but maybe we can expect this to be done in the month of August. So let's analyze this on a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame also we are close to the resistance levels. Let's expect it to come back a little bit till its 20 period moving average and then take an entry for a long position. Okay, let's have a look on a daily chart. Daily chart, it is coming down, is nicely retracing, so we can expect to buy at these levels. Okay, buy at these levels so the trend continues, and this new high can be formed above this. So I think these three stocks are pretty decent. So are we forgetting something? I want to see the volume here is pretty high on this. So I would suggest we wait and watch this, because this volume indicates a reversal. This is a reversal volume. So it can come down on a weekly basis. So what is the level on a weekly basis? Let's see. So level can be up to this. This can be the level. 600 levels here. This is the point where you have to buy. Okay, but these three are very good catches for us. So let's put them in our watch list for this week. and take entry when there is a breakout. Okay, I think we have got really nice 3 stocks. This can be watched and you get excited if you make money with these kind of stocks. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's my time, and do subscribe to my channel and share my videos with all your friends and learning the market along with me. It's a journey and all of you can be part of this learning, and I'll be happy if you can subscribe and share this as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.